माय नेम इज़ निशन। स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो अब हम कर रहे हैं मई के मंथली वीक के क्वेश्चन। तो देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द वर्ड फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस शिप। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द वर्ड फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल शिप इज़ Mayflower 400. Mayflower 400 is a world first artificial intelligence ship built by a team of the research from the Marine Research Organization. Promare is a collaboration with IBM. It is an unmanned 15-meter long tramacine, the weight 9 stone, and it is a complete autonomous ship. The ship is set up to sail on translator Vigos. It will track aquatic mammal, analyze plastic in water, and study marine pollution. Cabinet has given its proposal for strategic disinvestment in the which bank? Cabinet has given the approval for strategy disinvestment in which bank? IDBI. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs 5 May 2021 gave it approval for the strategic disinvestment and transfer of the management control IDBI Bank Limited. The Cabinet was the chair is Narendra Modi. Former Lok Sabha MP and Union Minister Ajit Singh. Former Lok Sabha MP and Union Minister Ajit Singh passed away in the morning on 6th May 2021 at the age of 86. He was chief of the which following of the parties. Former Lok Sabha MP Union Minister अजित सिंह की अभी डेथ हुई है 6 मई को, जिनकी एज 86 थी। वो किस पार्टी के चीफ थे? तो राष्ट्रीय लोक दल प्रेसिडेंट एंड फॉर्मर यूनियन मिनिस्टर, तो वो थे RDRLD। तो राष्ट्रीय लोक दल RDL के थे। राष्ट्रीय लोक दल प्रेसिडेंट एंड फॉर्मर यूनियन मिनिस्टर अजित सिंह पास अवे इन द मॉर्निंग 6 मई 2021। He was 86. He tested positive COVID-19 20 April and was treated as a private hospital in Gurgaon. As per the report, his condition deteriorated on 5th May due to the lungs infection. Former Union Minister and Governor Jagmohan passed away 3 May 2021. He was served as a governor of the which state of the Trump? Jammu Kashmir. Western political leader Jagmohan passed away 3 April 2021 after battling a brief period of illness. He had served as a governor of Jammu Kashmir and Goa. He has served as a governor of the Jammu Kashmir and Goa and lieutenant governor at Delhi. He had served as a governor of Jammu Kashmir 2 times, first term from 1984 and second time January to May 1990. India has launched a comprehensive partnership on migration and mobility with which nation? India has launched a comprehensive partnership on migration and mobility with which nation? तो UK. India and UK has launched a comprehensive partnership on migration and mobility that aim to facilitate greater opportunity for the mobility of the student profession between two countries. Which has been appointed as the deputy governor of RBI? Which has been appointed as the deputy governor of the RBI? तो T Ravi Shankar. The appointment committee of the cabinet 1 मई 2021. The appointment committee of the cabinet 1 मई 2021 approved the appointment of the Ravi Shankar as the new deputy governor of the RBI Reserve Bank of India. He will be succeed BP Kangoro, who retired from the post of 2 April after the receiving 1-year extension in the position. The president of which African nation has been declared as a state of emergency? The president of which The president of which African nation has declared a state of emergency? DRC. The president of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The president of the Democratic Republic of Congo DRC Felix Tshisekedi has declared a state of emergency over the increasing violence in the eastern provinces in the North Kivu and Ituri. Researcher has been discovered 100 million year old bone of sauropod in which Indian state Meghalaya. The researcher has identified the fossil bone fragment of the long-necked dinosaur. Okay, the researcher has been identified the fossil bone fragment of the long-necked dinosaur known as sauropods from the area around West Khasi Hill district in Meghalaya. West Khasi Hill districts in Meghalaya. The fossil date back to about 100 million year. NASA Parker solar probe has detected natural radio emission from which planet atmosphere. NASA Parker solar probes has been detected natural radio emission. NASA Parker solar probe has detected natural radio emission from which planet's atmosphere to Venus. NASA is the Parker solar probes during a brief swing on a Venus in July 2020 detect a natural radio signal from the Venus atmosphere. The Parker solar probe are launched in 2018 as a solar mission to analyze the sun. The US FDA is likely to authorize which vaccine from young adult age above 12 years. The USA FDA, the United States Food and Drugs Administration, the US FDA is likely to authorize which vaccine from young adult aged above 12 years. So Pfizer. The United States Food and Drug Administration is likely to authorize the use of the COVID-19 vaccine of Pfizer for young adult age 12 and older by the next week. The government aims at setting up shoots for many before the beginning of the next school year. Which nation is the cricket team has become the top ranked ODI team in the world? Which nation cricket team? कौन सी नेशन टीम है जो टॉप रैंक पर है ODI टीम इन द वर्ल्ड? तो न्यूजीलैंड. The New Zealand has replaced reigning world champion England and become the top ranked side in one-day international ranking. New Zealand gained 3 ranking points after beating Bangladesh 3-0 in their ODI series. The team moved up to slot in ICC Men ODI team ranking with aggregate of 1-1. The oldest human burial site has been discovered in which country? The oldest human burial site has been discovered in which country? Kenya. Archaeologists has discovered the oldest human burial in Africa that dated back to 78 years at a cave site called Ponga ya Saidi near the Kenya coast. The remains belong to the 2 to 3 year old toddler who have been laid to rest in with a pillow. Who has become the first person from the India to win the prestigious Sheikh Zayed Book Award? किसने फर्स्ट पर्सन है जिन्होंने जीता है प्रेस्टिजियस शेख जायद बुक अवार्ड को? तो यह है डॉक्टर तेहराना कुतुबुद्दीन. फर्स्ट पर्सन है जिन्होंने इंडिया की विन किया है प्रेस्टिजियस शेख जायद बुक अवार्ड. India is why Niku Foam has been named as a winner of the Westline Award 2021 for this conventional effort in which Indian state नागालैंड है जो नागालैंड कन्वेंशनल वाई निकू पोम named as a winner of the West Lighting Award 2021 also known as the Green Oscar donated by the Maivy Foundation 12 मई 2021. The effort is established in Biodiversity Peace Corridor in Nagaland. The subject expert committee has approved with COVID-19 vaccine for phase 2 phase 3 human clinical trials on 2 to 18 year old Covaxin. The subject expert committee has approved. subject to expert कमेटी है उन्होंने अप्रूव कर दिया भारत बायोटेक कोवैक्सीन को फॉर 2-3 फेज ह्यूमनिकल ट्रायल फॉर 2 से 18 ईयर ओल्ड के लिए. Which among the following COVID-19 variant was the first detected in India in October 2020? कौन सा Which among the following COVID-19 variant was the first detected in India in October 2020? तो B1617, B1.617. The World Health Organization informed that 12 मई 2021 that COVID-19 variant B1617 that was the first found in India October 2020 has been detected in sequence uploaded from 14 countries in all 6 WHO regions. Which Indian state has a 12 मई 2021 रिपोर्टेड रेजुग्रेंस ऑफ द अफ्रीका स्वेन फीवर? मेघालय। कौन सा स्टेट है 12 मई 2000 को रिपोर्ट सरोगेंसिस ऑफ द अफ्रीकन स्वेन फ्लू? तो मेघालय में 12 मई 2021 में इन्फॉर्म किया गया था सरोगेंसी अफ्रीकन स्वेन फ्लू हैज़ किल्ड, जो अफ्रीकन स्विंग फीवर है जिसने 300 सुअर को लास्ट मंथ की वजह से किल हुए हैं। द स्टेट एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एंड वेटरनरी डिपार्टमेंट्स कंफर्म प्रेजेंस ऑफ AC1 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ ईस्ट खासी, जो हमारा ईस्ट खासी हिल्स एरिया है, वेस्टर्न खासी हिल्स एरिया है, वहाँ पे सब डिवीज़न में जो एक साउथर्न अफ्रीकन स्वेन फीवर फैला हुआ है जिसमें 300 सूअरों की पिछले मंथ डेथ हो गई है। ये कहाँ है? मेघालय में। विच नेशन विल बिकम द मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री बाय 2027 एज पर द UN रिपोर्ट? पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री कौन सी होगी जो 2027 तक होगी UN के हिसाब से? तो इंडिया क्या करेगी? चाइना को क्रॉस करते हुए मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री हो जाएगी 2027 में। नेक्स्ट है विच नेशन विल बी द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट ग्रोइंग मेजर इकोनॉमिक इन 2020 एज पर द UN? कौन सा नेशन होगा जो वर्ल्ड फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग मेजर इकोनॉमी होगी जिसकी 2020 से 22 एज पर द UN? तो इंडिया। अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूनाइटेड नेशन इंडिया विल बी द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट ग्रोइंग मेजर इकोनॉमिक इन 2020 इन द मिड ईयर अपडेटेड द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन एंड प्रोस्पेक्ट. The UN has projected that India economic will be grow at 10.1% in calendar 2020. Who was the founder of the modern nursing? कौन है फाउंडर मॉडर्न नर्सिंग की? तो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल. The Florence Nightingale is a British nurse was the instrumental in changing the role of prescription of the nursing profession. She is known as the founder of the modern nursing as she was the first established formal training for nurse. The International Nursing Day is observed annually by the birth of anniversary of 12 मई को हमारा नर्स डे मनाया जाता है. NASA Orisis Crisis spacecraft is a began its 2-year journey back to Earth after collecting sample from which astronaut? तो बीनो. NASA Orisis Re-Action Space began its historical 2-year mission back to Earth after collecting sample from asteroid Benos in May 2021. This is a NASA first asteroid sample return mission. It carries a genius amount of material collected from the near Earth asteroid. Which nation has been approved Pfizer? Which nation? कौन सी नेशन है जिसने फिजर को अप्रूव किया है वैक्सीन बच्चों को देने के लिए 12 से 15 साल के लिए? तो USA ग्रुप ने अप्रूवल दिया है फिजर को वैक्सीनेशन, अप्रूव द फिजर वैक्सीनेशन फॉर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ 12 to 15 ईयर ग्रुप. द यूनाइटेड स्टेट फूड एंड ड्रग्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन 10 मई 2021 गिव द इमरजेंसी एज अप्रूवल फॉर फिजर BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for the children in 12 to 15 year age group. The USA government aimed to setting up shoot for many before the beginning of the next school year. Who has been the crowned Miss Universe for the year of 2020? तो Andrea Meza, Mexico. Andrea Meza has been approved crowned Miss Universe 2020 at the 69th edition of the pageant 16 मई 2021. The 26-year-old crowned by her proceed South Africa Jujubina Tuni, who had won the pageant in 2019. As per the center new advisory, how much distance can be aerosol carry the COVID-19 virus travel in the air? As per the central new advisory, जो सेंट्रल न्यू एडवाइजरी के हिसाब से जो COVID-19 का वायरस है वो कितना ट्रैवल कर सकता है एयर में? तो 10 मीटर. विच नेशन हैज़ बी रिजेक्टेड द बिड? कौन सा नेशन है जिसने रिजेक्ट कर दिया बिड ऑफ द इंडियन ONGC विदेश लिमिटेड for the operating rights in a gas field that will be first discovered। तो ईरान ने क्या कहते हैं मना कर दिया है। द इंडियन स्टेट ओनर्ड ONGC विदेश लिमिटेड हैज़ होस्ट द डेवलपमेंट एंड ऑपरेटिंग राइट्स इन द आयरन फेजर्ड बी जेनेट वाज फील्ड बाय द Iranian Petrofar Group and ONGC lead to constipation had first discovered the giant gas field in the France offshore explorer noted। Indian environmentalist Sundar Lal Bahadur Bahugana passed away due to the COVID-19 मई 21 मई 2021। ही वॉज अ प्रोमिनेंट लीडर ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मूवमेंट। तो चिपको मूवमेंट। सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा एज ए 94-year-old चिपको मूवमेंट लीडर एंड नोटेड environmentalist पास अवे ड्यू टू द COVID-19 21 मई 2021 एट एम्स हॉस्पिटल इन ऋषिकेश। Which state government has approved the setting up the legislative council? Which state governor has approved setting up the legislative council? तो वेस्ट बंगाल चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी approved the setting up the legislative council और विधान परिषद in the state during the cabinet meeting conducting through video conferencing on May 17, 2021 with the several department secretary। This was one of the full promises of the Trinamool Congress। Which among the following treatment procedure due to the drop of the management of COVID-19? तो convalescent plasma therapy has been dropped from the India's COVID-19 treatment protocol। The COVID-19 task force released new clinical guidelines for the management of mild, moderate and severe case May 17, 2021 due to the not mentioned in plasma therapy। The central government has asked which is the social media platform to withdraw its privacy policy update? WhatsApp। The central government has asked The central government has asked which social media platform to withdraw its privacy policy update? तो WhatsApp। The Ministry of Electronics and the Information Technology has sent to notice the WhatsApp asking it to withdraw update privacy। The ministry has given WhatsApp time till May 25th May to respond the notice। Who has been appointed as the People's to Advocate of COP26 for climate change? Who has been appointed as the People's Advocate of COP26 for climate change? David Attenborough। Sir David Attenborough is a natural historian and world-renowned broadcaster, was appointed on 10 May 2021 as the People's Advocate of the COP26 for the UK President of the UN Climate Change Summit to be held in Glasgow in November 2021। Johnson & Johnson as for the partner with which Indian pharmacy company for the manufacturing is COVID-19 vaccine? Biological E। Johnson & Johnson has partnered with which Indian pharma company of the manufacturing of COVID-19 vaccine? Biological E। USA pharmaceutical company Johnson & Johnson has partnered with the Telangana-based pharmacy company in India Biological E Limited for manufacturing of its COVID-19 vaccine। Who had become the first Indian fighter of the become World Championship? Who has become the first Indian fighter to become World Championship? तो अर्जन सिंह बुल्लार। The Arjun Singh Bullar become the first Indian fighter to win the ON heavyweight world title at the top level mixed martial art championship event in Singapore on 16 मई 2021 after defecting the long time heavyweight king Vendrom the Truth Veera। Who has developed the new anti-COVID drugs? Who has developed the new anti-COVID drug to DRDO? The new anti-COVID drugs to DG has been developed by the DRDO Institute of Nuclear Medical and Allied Science in the collaboration with Dr. Reddy to The 2-digit drug come in a sachet in a powder from and it can be taken orally by the dissolving in a water. It help in a faster recovery and also reduce oxygen dependency among the COVID patient. Which country which country has become the second one world to send a rover to Mars? China. Which country become the second one is the world is second to rover Mars? China. Who has been appointed as the new CBI director? Who has been appointed as the new CBI director? Subodh Jaiswal. Subodh Jaiswal, senior IP officer Subodh Kumar Jaiswal was 25 May 2021 appointed as a new SBI director of the 2 year as per the personal ministry order. A 3-member selection committee lead by the PM Narendra Modi on 24 May 2021 had to shortlist Jaiswal's name of the position of the director, Central Bureau of the Investigation. Who has been confirmed with Energy Frontier Award 2020? CNR Rao. Bharat Ratna Professor CN Rao was the honored with the International ENI Award 2020, also known as Energy Frontier Award 2020, for his research in renewable energy source and energy storage. He has been working on hydrogen energy as the only source of energy for the benefit all mankind. Which nation recently honored Nobel Literature Amartya Sen with the top award in the social science? Spain. Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Sen was awarded Spain's top Princess of Asturias award in the social science category on 26 May 2021. This was informed by the Spanish Prize Foundation. Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Sen. Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Sen was the awarded Spain's top Princess of the Asturian award in the social science category 26 May 2021. This was the informed in the Spanish Prize Foundation. Which vaccine manufacturer has said its vaccine has been found to 10% prevent COVID-19 among the adolescent? Which vaccine manufacturer has said its vaccine has been found to be 100% in prevent COVID-19 among the adolescent? Moderna announced on 25 May 2021 that variance study has been shown that the COVID-19 vaccine is 100% effective in the preventing COVID-19 infection among the adolescent age between 12 से 17 साल. Which state government has launched a Sanjeevani Pariyojana? Haryana. Which animal will be reintroduced in India after being declaring existing in 1951? Cheetahs are the fastest land animal. The cheetahs, which was declared extinct in India 1952, will be reintroduced in India in November 2021 to Kunno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. At the Kunno National Park in Madhya Pradesh, according to the State Forest Minister Vijay Shah. Mountain Nigoran interpret after almost 2 decades 22 May 2021. The active volcano is located with the nation of Democratic Republic of Congo. Internet browser will be retired for the certain version of the Windows 10 by June 2020. Internet Explorer. The military junta of which nation has been arrested the president, prime minister, defense minister? Mali. Which nation forced landed a flight carrying a dissident general Belarus? Which Indian Sport Federation was honored with the prestigious Athenian Galatian Award in May 21? Hockey India. Who won the Artist of Decade Award as 2021 Billboard Music Award? Darke.